One of the easiest ways to boost the curb appeal and value of a home like this is to paint the exterior, and that's what we're doing in today's video. My name's Michael, and welcome to the Buildistics Show. So we want a clean looking house, a refreshed look, and one of the ways to do that is to paint it. It doesn't require a lot of work or a lot of expense, and it really boosts the value of the home. We put off painting the farmhouse for quite a while for a number of reasons. One being the weather. It needed to be dry enough for the paint to adhere to the siding. Another one was I was still in the process of installing the windows, so that was one thing that held us back. The other reason was there were other things that I was just working on, and I put it off for so long. If we didn't paint the house, we wouldn't feel as comfortable having people over. We enjoy doing hospitality, having family and friends over. And the other thing is, if we didn't paint the house, the appraisal wouldn't go for the value that we think it will. The house won't be valued as high. And so painting the house is just so important to, boost that curb appeal. My family and I are very fortunate to have family and friends to help throughout this process of gutting and completely remodeling the farmhouse. And for painting the house, we had a lot of help, and that made the process go much smoother, and it was more enjoyable. How's it going?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, it's looking amazing. It's a lot of fun.
So I'm gonna go under there and hang on. So, okay.
We had about 8 people helping on the painting here. Some were preparing to paint, some were obviously painting, and some were preparing food and things like that. There was a lot going on, but it was so awesome to have the help and get things done quickly. We didn't get everything done that day, so the next day I finished it up. But just having a group of people to help out and get it done is such a blessing. So in addition to obviously making the house look a lot better, it increased the equity that we now have in the property. It's worth more, and it gets us closer to hopefully building the party barn / studio in the future. By painting the house, we've not only increased the value and look and feel of the home, but also made it more than just a house, making the house into a home. And because we did it ourselves, this project was done under $500. If we had hired a contractor, this would likely be $2,000 to $3,000. So painting the farmhouse was a big step in getting us closer to a good appraisal in order for us to build the party barn / studio in the spring of 2021. I hope you'll join us for that entire process, and we'll see you in the next one.